Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to be doing a quick drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Bee, because you can draw a bee with using only simple shapes that you probably already know, and I'm going to show you how. All you're going to need is something to write on and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board and my dry erase marker so that you can see it on the screen. If everybody is ready, so am I, and here we go. The first thing that you're going to do is something that I know you can do, and that is just draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a circle. You can do this. And right underneath, you're going to make another circle, but one that's a little bit bigger. Okay? The next step is you're going to draw a wing up on the top and give it a matcher on the other side. And then on the bottom, you're going to make some wings that look more like little teardrops. See that? We're on our way to making that bee right now as we go. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a V on top of its head and put some little antenna balls on the top. Next, on its bottom, you're going to draw another V. That's its stinger. The next thing that you're going to do, of course, is you're going to draw some stripes on your bee. Bees are striped, almost always. And the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to give it a little face. I'm going to put some eyes in here and a little smile, because whenever I'm spending time with you all, I'm happy. And so is this bee. And I hope you guys all just accomplish making a bee. And like I said, yes, you can make a bee, because you just did. Have a great day. Bye.